Hello friends. Uh, Coming to Phuket, I realize that our Indian food is a food which gives lot of fat and with the sedentary lifestyle, with the sitting lifestyle. If I have a sitting lifestyle, if we have a lifestyle in which we are always sitting most of the time, then we get to accumulate lot of fat. But as comparison to the other countries and nations like China and Thailand and other countries, which eats lot of meat and seafoods uh, and soups. So these people do not face that problem that there is accumulation of lot of fat. Although they don't have a sedentary lifestyle, all, but they do not work out so much as we do. And due to the excessive workout, we drain lot of energy. Due to sedentary lifestyle, we happen to have a lot of other physical problems. Due to uh, due to our food, we get to a lot of fat. So these three topics are main to be covered. These three things are meant to be covered. I will do some research on the all the three topics. The sedentary lifestyle, how to keep going working, as well as getting rid of the sedentary lifestyle. Very big topic, but very important topic, because everyone almost is facing this. And second, how to get the not get the fat from our Indian food. Very important topic. Most of the people are trying to eat less, but then also the fat problem is a very big problem. The in India. And the third and the most important, that doing a physical task like exercise or swimming uh, or some fitness sport like the aerobic sport like running and cycling, it drains all our energy. And if sport activity drains all our energy, where we will get this energy from? There is no way to replenish it except from the food. And eating the food gets lot of fat. So these three topics are very important for me. I will do some research on them and come out with a basic solution by which we can keep our body fit and healthy, just like the people of China and the people of Thailand. Thank you.